Hi, this is Kaylee from Crafting on the Fly, and today I'm going to show you how to make these steampunk earrings with some nice gears. And all the supplies are listed in my description and linked there. But we need rolling pin, the clay, and then also a nice cutter. And a stamp, regular one. I'm using these silicone stamps. And then Mod Podge Dimensional Magic for the glaze, and also this tool to make the holes, and then a ceramic tile to bake everything on. So first you're going to roll out the clay, and then I'm using also these really cool gears. They're little metal cutouts, but first let's mark the sizing there, or the stamp, so that I know where to put the gears, and then I just place them all different gears, and a lot of them have like one side is with the gold and the other side with the silver, so you can go back and forth with all the different gears. Like I said, I'm going to list and link everything in the descriptions, so you can come back to that. So give me a thumbs up so that you can really come back to all this, and then just place them all around there. I had to take them because it's hard to actually get them, and then just do a nice selection in the bottom half, and then on the top I'm using this nice stamp to get a little bit more texture and that stripy look going on top. Really get it pressed in there, and then I decided to do the other side first and try to do it a little bit different, but not too different. So I'm just gonna try to sort of mirror what I did on the other side, so that I have a matching pair of earrings. And then also using the stamp on the top. And then I added some more details with my pinching tool, but you can also use the whole making tool to just get a little bit more texture on the whole thing. And once you're really happy with everything, you can stamp out or cut it out with your cookie cutter or earring cutter, trying to get it where you had it marked before. And then just lift off the excess there, like you normally would, and bake it to the regular instructions. Actually put the hole in, and I forgot to film this part, but then use that dimensional magic Mod Podge to do a thin layer on top of everything, so that the gears don't get lost or come off. Just put that on, let it dry. I put it on like a sticky mat so that it doesn't move, but really make a thin layer and really let it dry. And then they're ready. They're nice and shiny and ready to wear. And thanks for watching. I hope you have fun making your own.